Ah, hey, it was sound. Bishop g5. Bishop g5. Yes. Yes, it was sound. God damn. It was a sound sacrifice, fellas. Man, hold on a second. That was an absolute first line of the freaking engine. The first line of the freaking engine. I had a little bit of luck here. Well, double up by some understanding. Yes, I was correct in that sacrifice. I was worried at some point I played a lousy, unnecessary sacrifice. Well, the idea was to get the queen to attack this guy and then to hit on f7. And then it went brilliantly. So bishop takes, pawn takes, queen takes. I'm attacking this guy. And if they went here, if they went there, probably I would have just coming back, and I've just created the passer. The idea was I'm giving a bishop for 2 pawns, I'm making the guys panicking, and I'm creating a passer with the h pawn. That was the idea, amongst others. So let me just show you what happened. So I took, obviously the guy took, and now I took with the queen. I'm attacking the bishop, mind you, Kumar. So the bishop is under attack now. It was very, very nice. And I'm telling you something psychologically, I think was cool. Now the guy went, because look, in these very super sharp positions, you have to play accurately and defend accurately. Me, myself as well. So the guy, I mean, the propensity, the chances for the people to play bad moves increases a lot. So he was supposed to play rook g8, as I said. He was supposed to play that one. And I was aware I've got a pawn here. I'm not sure I would have played h6 if after rook g8, but maybe I would have. I think I would have just run away to e or d and then pushing this guy down the board. Maybe. But he didn't. He went for this, and that's another fantastic opportunity with queen to f6. Queen to f6. And I'm already attacking stuff here. Let me highlight. Queen, rook, f7, d6. So we've got 4 weaknesses. 4 weaknesses at the same time.